Okay, now that we got the handguard, the stock, and the scope mag on, our next instructions are how to use the mag clamps for the GSG-5. These are original mags that were supplies with our gun. What you want to do is insert your magazines into the mag clamp on the bottom. A lot of people get confused where they think that the mag clamp goes in the middle. No, that's not the case. Mag clamps goes on the bottom. Once you have these two mags clip onto the mag, what you want to do is center your finger in the middle right here, so your pressure point is in the middle of the mag clamp latch. Then push up gently. Once you hear a snap, then you're done. Now both mags are in place. Now you can use it with your gun for quick hunting situation or just having fun at the range.